Fired Milwaukee police officer Christopher Manney's fight to get his job back may not be over.
The Milwaukee Police Union is suggesting this case could end up in court.
Steve Shamraz is live outside union headquarters with reaction from the union as well as the chief. Steve.
Carol, Mike, the police union is not ruling out appealing this decision to the circuit court. That would be the next step in trying to get Christopher Manney his job back. But before doing that, the union president lashed out at the police chief and the Fire and Police Commission.
Anyone who sat through, listened to every word throughout that hearing, knew that that officer should have been reinstated.
Union President Mike Crivello said this decision would weigh on the minds of his membership, the rank-and-file Milwaukee police officers. But he stopped short of saying officers would change how they do their jobs.
Make sure that they're responding safely, because as you heard me say, Officer Manney did what any other officer would have done.
Earlier in the day, Chief Ed Flynn said he expected some of his officers to react, but was glad to see the commission back up his decision to fire Chris Manney.
We have to be willing to take responsibility for our decisions, and the cops know it. So I don't doubt that there'll be some grieving. I don't doubt there's going to be some commiserating.
Crivello also criticized the civilian oversight of the Fire and Police Commission, suggesting, quote, the fix was in, and the three members who heard Manney's appeal had, quote, marching orders. While he did not mention the Hamilton family's protest specifically, Crivello suggested the commission gave into pressure.
You have a group of people who are demanding something of the city. Now, it's okay to have your voice heard, and it's okay to demand something of the city, but when the facts bear out something different, you have to have a willingness to accept that.
If Chris Manney does try to get his job back in court, he might succeed. The courts do have a history of giving fired Milwaukee police officers their jobs back. Live in Milwaukee tonight, Steve Shamraz, today's TMJ4.
Steve, thank you very much.